We are walking up the Overlook Mountain. Got my boy Dxxzy. It is a hot one out right now. It is, oh my watch, there's no signal up here. But
It's like 90.
yeah, 90 degrees. I think the news was saying it was gonna be, or not the news, Weather Channel said it was gonna be 94 out here in Woodstock. So we are.
Let's go touch the sky.
Yeah, right. Let's go touch the sky. Yeah, imagine being on acid right now. Ah, but it is beautiful out here. Then,
it's like a type of nettle, I think. Like in the same family, but not the stinging nettle.
what does it have any like healing properties?
It should just be like highly nutritious, like good vitamins and minerals, vitamin C, like iron. Yeah. Dogwood, like a dogwood.
Oh, this right here.
Yeah, it's like a, well, maybe not. It's got thorns, but it's usually red stem. It's like a type of dogwood. I think it's a black-eyed Susan.
Wow.
And you can make the tea from the roots.
Yeah, it looks like we're up there. Getting higher.
See the bees love it.
Oh yeah.
You know, so you can trust the bees sometimes. It means it's like a high pollen, a high sap content, and they just love it.
Oh yeah, he's getting after it. I know, right? It's like ground, I think. Yeah, there's stairs like right here. Oops. Phew. Oh wow. Yeah, this is like something straight out of The Last of Us.
Yeah, this is the really like deliverance.
This is the bathtub one.
Maybe this was the bathhouse or something, you know.
Oh wow, there's a chipmunk. He's in there in where the bathtub is. Look at this bathtub. Jeez. So this was like somewhere where somebody was like bathing, maybe. This wait, so they said this was a hospital, or what was it?
How was a hotel?
Ooh. Whoa. Whap.
Yeah, I poured some of it. I'm still gonna give this to you if you want. But yeah, it's got a smiley face.
Yeah, it's terrifying.
Right? Come out here and like something out here.
Right? It is very cool in here though, I can tell you that much.
Like you can get by.
Alright, well.
Stay on the trail.
Yeah, so I guess we're staying on the trail.
Right.
Okay. This is that fire tower. So we're gonna climb up this bitch. Whew, you can already see. Man, that's beautiful. Little toad.
Nice.
Let's put him back.
Snack for a snake.
Go on, buddy. There you go. It's raining a little bit. Nice. Oh.